chickens and eat up your lambs. We're leaving the city, we're leaving no man. We're walking through water like split.
Alright, so right here, shalom shalom y'all, I have some teff pancakes for my adon. Some date sugar, bananas, blueberries, Brazil nuts. It's all gonna go in the teff you see here, and this is coconut milk. I'm also going to be using this agave, and this is flaxseed oil in here. I'm going to post the recipe soon. Coconut milk. I'm going to add the flaxseed, adding berries, blueberries, bananas, a moon. I'm going to put half of these Brazil nuts in there. A spoonful of these dates. Oh man. Oh, so many stains. I just stirred them. Like, sub, share. Mix well. Now I'm going to take this agave and sweeten it up to my taste. So the good part about this is that teff does not have any gluten. It's a good protein source. It has many minerals and fiber. So the good part about this batter is that it is made egg-free, it's vegan. It would be considered alkaline. All the food that I'm using for Yochanan is alkaline based because I'm trying to help with the stage 4 cancer. So we're making breakfast for him, and just because he can't eat a lot of things, I'm going to learn how to make it really yummy for him. I'm going to add some coconut oil. Being a Proverbs 31 woman, what do you think is the #1 thing that you see that you want to do more to make sure you're a Proverbs 31 woman? Or man. Right, Gabby? Well, you already help out, so that's not an issue. So you help out. What's something that it says a Proverbs 31 woman does that you know you want to do more of? Because you already help out. Drop a comment below. Huh? What? Yeah. You got started. Making clothes. All you gotta do is practice a little bit more. I'm like a first. So you don't use coconut oil to cook with in an alkaline diet. You have to use grapeseed oil. You just pour just like pancake batter, and you'll do the same thing. When it bubbles up on top, you'll flip it. So it's the same thing like pancakes. When you start seeing the little holes up top and forming, that means that it's basically time to go ahead and flip the pancake. And that's it. Teff pancakes. You guys were right on my Instagram feed that mentioned that it was probably breakfast food. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share. Shalom.